Hello guys, and welcome to this video. So right here guys, in the part of this video we're going to talk about the operations of fractions, and under it we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of fractions. Then in the next video we're going to talk about multiplication and division of fractions. So right here guys, let's get started. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please do where to get subscribed so that you get easy solutions to any mathematical problem that you might encounter. And guys, if you have any topic that is stressing you out that you need help in, please do not forget to leave that particular topic in the comment section. So guys, let's get started. So we want to simply simplify 5 over 12 plus 7 over 12. Now this particular fraction has the same denominator but different numerator. So when solving a particular question that looks exactly like this, all you want to do is to simply look for the LCM. But the LCM of this is 12 because we are having the same denominator. So we have this to be 12. So next right here, the LCM of this is 12. So since we're having the same denominator, all we want to do is to add the numerator, which is 5 plus 7. And 5 plus 7 is going to give us 12 over 12. And 12 divided 12 is going to give us 1. So this is how you can easily add fractions with the same denominator. So let's take a look at this right here. Simplify 3 whole number 2 over 5 plus 4 whole number 1 over 6. Now this is a mixed number. We want to simply add this. So the first thing we want to do is to simply convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. And in order for us to do that, we have this 3 whole number 2 over 5. Converting this to a mixed fraction is simply you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator, which is 5, which is the denominator, times 3, which is the whole number, plus 2, which is the numerator, over the denominator, which is 5. And this is going to give us 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 over 5. So this is the improper fraction of this mixed number. So next we have 4 whole number 1 over 6. Doing the same, you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator. So we have 6 times 4 plus 1 over 6. And this will give us 6 times 4, 24 plus 1, 25 over 6. So we have our improper fraction and we want to simply simplify. So right here we have 17 over 5 plus 25 over 6. So the next thing we want to do is to look for the LCM of both 5 and 6. And the LCM of 5 and 6 will be 30. You just simply need to multiply and we have 30. Alright? Now once we're done with that, we add in this 5 divided 30 is going to give us 6. And 6 times 17, let's simply do a little multiplication whereby we have 17 times 6. Alright, so 6 times 7 is going to give us 42. So we put out 2, we carry 4 right here, and 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we are going to have 102. So this is going to give us 102 plus 6 into 30 is 5. So we have 5 times 25. So we do 25 times 5. And this is going to give us 5 times 5, 25, we carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So we are going to have 125. And this is going to give us 30. So you add the both of them, we have 7. 0 plus 2, we have 2. And 1 plus 1, we have 2. And this is going to give us 227 divided 30. Alright, so we divide this. 227 divided 30, we have it to be 7 whole number, then we have 17 over 30. So guys, this is the answer. Alright, so this is how you can easily simplify mixed numbers using addition of fractions. So the first thing you do, you convert to an improper fraction, you look for the LCM and you add. So let's take a look at the next examples we have right here. Alright guys, so we have this question right here we are asked to express 7 over 8 minus 3 over 5 as a fraction in its simplest form. Alright, so guys, we're going to express this as a fraction, and once we're done with that, we keep it in its simplest form. So guys, let's get started. So bring out our digit. We have 7 over 8 minus 3 over 5, right? So all we want to do, the first thing guys we want to do is to look for the LCM of both 8 and 5. And the LCM of 8 by 5 is by simply multiplying. So 8 times 5 is going to give us 40, alright? Now, next thing we want to do, we are going to divide the denominator by the LCM. Alright, that is 8 divide 40, or 40 divide 8. So we are going to have 5. And once you have your answer, you multiply by the numerator. So 40 divide 8 is 5, and 5 times 7 is 35. Alright, minus. So we do this. 5 divide 40 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. And this is going to give us 35 minus 24. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 2 is what? Is 1 over 40. Alright, so this is a simple trick right here. So let's bring out the number we want to simply express. So all we want to do, the first thing guys you want to do, this method is called the butterfly method. So all we want to do right here is to take in these two digits. So we want to simply multiply the both of them. So 7 times 5 will give us 35 minus. So we multiply this also. 8 times 3 will give us 24. And 35 minus 24 will give us 11. Then you multiply the denominator. We have what? 40. Alright guys, so this is it. So let's try out this next question right here. Simplify 5 whole number 3 over 4 minus 2 whole number 2 over 5. Alright. So right here guys, let's simplify this. So the first thing we want to do is to simply convert this to an improper fraction. So we take as the 2 number right here. So all we want to do, the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. So this is going to be 4 times 5 plus 3 all over 4. Alright, so this will give us 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 3, we have 23 over 4. That is for the first one. We go to the next one. 2 whole number 2 over 5. Alright, so the denominator multiply the whole number plus the numerator. So that is 5 times 2 plus 2 over 5. Alright, so this is going to give us 5 times 2, which is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12 over 5. Alright, so let's simply simplify. So we have 23 over 4 minus 12 over what? 5. So what we want to do is to look for the LCM, which is you multiply 4 times 5 will give us what? 20. Alright, so 4 divide 20, or 20 divide 4 is going to give us 5. 5 times 23. So guys, let's simply do the calculation right here. So we have 23 times 5. Alright, 5 times 3 is going to give us 15. We carry 1. 5 times 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Alright, so we have 115 minus 5 divide 20 is 4, and 4 times 12. So we do this. 12 times what? 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. So we have here to be 48. So if we do this, 115 minus 48, let's simply do this right here. 115 minus what? 48. Okay, so I'm just going to box this. 5 minus 8 cannot. 1 minus 4, we borrow from this. Here becomes 0. Here becomes 15. So 15 minus 8 is going to give us 7. Alright, so we have 0 minus 4 cannot. So we borrow from here. Here becomes 0. Here becomes 10. And 10 minus 4 will give us what? 6. So we have 67. So this becomes 67 over 20. Now converting it back to a mixed number, 67 divide 20, we have 3 whole number 7 over 20. And guys, this is our answer. Okay, so this is how you can easily simplify this. So let's take a look at the next examples we have right here. Alright, so let's simplify this. Simplify 15 over 25 plus 3 over 5 minus 1 over 2. Now right here guys, we want to simply apply the use of what? Board mass, okay, where B simply signify brackets, O is order or exponent, D is division, N is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So I'm sure you all know what board mass simply stands for, okay? So right here guys, let's start with this. So we have 15 over 25 plus 3 over 5 minus 1 over 2. So guys, let's simply simplify this to its lowest term. Now simplifying this to its lowest term, 3 can divide both 15 and 3 cannot divide 25, but 5 can divide both 15 and 25. So if 5 divides 15, we have 3, and if 5 divides 25, we have 5 plus 3 over 5 minus 1 over 2. Alright, so the first thing guys, let's apply the use of board mass, which is what? Addition. So now if you take a look at the addition aspects, they have the same denominator. So we are going to take out one of the denominator, then we add in the numerator. We have 3 plus 3, we have it to be what? 6 minus 1 over 2. Alright, so now next right here we look for the LCM, whereby if we make use of the butterfly method, we can easily just add this. 6 times 2 is 12 minus 5 times 1 is what? 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 times 2 is what? 10. Alright, so this is the answer. Now let's take a look at this question right here. Solve this. Right, so we're going to bring out the figure right here for this. Alright, so what we are going to do next right here, once we get this, now you can easily look for the LCM of all of this and solve directly without applying the rule of board mass. So guys, let's try it out. Let's simply look for the LCM of 6, 4 and 3. Alright, starting with 2. 2 into 6 will give us 3, 2 into 4 will give us 2, and 2 into 3 is 3. It cannot. So 2 can go. 2 into 3, 3. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 3 is 3. Then when they go by 3, here will be 1, 1, 1. So the LCM we have right here is 2 times 2 times 3, which is what? 12. So the LCM of all of this is what? 12. Okay, so 6 into 12 is 2, and 2 times 5 will give us 10, minus 4 into 12 will give us 3, and 3 times 1 is 3, plus 3 into 12 is 6. 3 into 12 is 4, and 4 times 1 is 4. Alright, applying the rule of board mass, which says addition comes first. So here we have 10 minus 3 plus 1 is plus 1. Alright, so we have this to be plus 1 over 12, and this is going to give us 10 plus 1, 11 over 12, and this is our answer. Alright, so this is how you can easily solve this right here. Alright guys, now this is the last example for this particular part of this video, which talks about addition and subtraction of fractions. So right here guys, let's simply do this. We have solve 7 whole number 5 over 6 minus 2 whole number 2 over 3 minus 4 whole number 3 over 8. So guys, let's simply do this. First thing, we want to simply convert right here to an improper fraction. So we have this to be 7 whole number 5 over 6. Now converting this to an improper fraction, remember the denominator, multiply the whole number, then you add the numerator. So this becomes 6 times 7 plus 5 over the denominator, which is 6, and this is going to give us 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 5 is 47 over 6. Next, we have 2 whole number 2 over 3, and this becomes 3 times 2 plus 2 over 3. Alright, and this is going to give us 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2 will give us 8 over 3. And lastly, we have 4 whole number 3 over 8. Now this will become 8 times 4 plus 3 all over 8. Okay, now 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 gives us 35 over 8. So therefore, we have this to be 47 over 6 minus 8 over 3 minus 35 over 8. Okay, so we have to look for the LCM of both 6, 3 and 8. So let's simply look for the LCM of 6, 3 and 8. Now 2 can divide, so 2 into 6 will give us 3. 2 into 3, 3. 2 into 8 is 4. Go by 2. 2 into 3, you all become 3, 3. And 2 into 4 is 2. 2 here will become 3, 3, 1. Then 3 will become 1, 1, 1. And so we have in our LCM to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And this is going to give us 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3 will give us 24. So this is our LCM. So now right here, let's look for the, we already have our LCM to be 24. So the first thing, we come right here and we have 6. So 6 divides 24. We have it to be 4. And 4 times 47. Alright, let's simply write out our fraction right here that we are solving. We have 47 over 6 minus 8 over 3 minus 35 over 8. Okay, so 6 into 24 is 4, and 4 times 47, which is 47 times 4. 4 times 7 is going to give us 28, so we have 8 and carry 2. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 2, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 plus 2 is 18, and this is 188 minus 3 into 24 is 8, and 8 times 8 is 64. So this is going to be 64 minus 8 into 24 is 3. So 3 times 35. So let's do this. 35 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. We carry 1. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So this become 105. So let's simply subtract this and get our final answer. So starting from this, we have 188 minus 64. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus nothing, we have it to be 1. Then we minus 105 from it. Okay. 4 minus 5 cannot, so we borrow from 2, here become 1, here become 14. So 14 minus 5 is going to give us 9. So we are going to have this to be 9. 1 minus 0, 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So finally we have 19 over 24. And this is our answer to this question. So guys, this is how you can easily find the addition and subtraction of fractions, be it an improper fraction, a mixed number, and a proper fraction. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please do to subscribe to this channel to learn more about any mathematical solvings or equation. And if you have any topic that is stressing you out, that is giving you an hard time, please do not forget to leave that topic in the comment section, and we are going to solve it together. And with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next part of this video, which is the multiplication and division of fractions.